Guys, it's Melissa with Melissa Peterson Designs. I just wanted to hop on here and do a quick Valentine craft. I'm kind of working on my holiday decor, if you can't tell in the background. This week I've managed to make it to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and Dollar Tree. So some of this stuff I don't remember where I got it from. This I definitely got from Hobby Lobby. It's $1.50. This I think I got at Michael's. Might have been $3 or less. And this came in a bundle of cut hearts, and I don't know if it was Hobby Lobby or where. And then I've got some scrap paper, and I want you to help me pick out which to use. Basically, I'm going to recreate this. I made this, and I want to make another one, and I'm going to actually give one of these away. I will let the person who's chosen pick which one they want. All you have to do is like my post, like my page, comment which one you want, and then make sure you share the post too. So let's go ahead and make this. To start off with, that one already came black. I'm gonna have to paint this one black. So this shouldn't take too long. As long as I get organized. So I hope everybody's having a good Friday. And I hope I'm on the right page. I'm wanting to be on my business page, not the private group. So if I'm in the private group, let me know. These little frames are cute. They came with these little sticks, and I had to ask Daniela what they were for. They were to hold the frames up. So this one came basically with only a cardboard. I'm going to go ahead and keep that and use it. Don't throw it away if you don't have an actual wood backing. So this is all that there is. So since no one's on yet, I'm going to go ahead and pick which one I want to use, because I was down to these two. It's going to be black. I think I'm going to go with this one, something a little bit different. I love this one too, but it's hard to choose. So I'm going to go ahead and get my heart and my frame painted. I'm going to use just basically black paint. You can use chalk paint, you can use acrylic paint from Walmart. They're 50 cents each, or you can get them from Hobby Lobby when they're on sale. Regular paintbrush, and we're just going to paint this black and get this drying. So I got all ready. My dogs got all excited. They thought we were going somewhere. Not in the snow. And I'm just going to put a light coat on. I'm not going to do 2 coats. And I'm going to get in the edges. So if you're just joining, make sure you let me know where you're from. If you want a chance to win this product or this frame or the one I'm doing, let me know which one you want. If you win, I'll probably hang on to this until Monday and then make my decision. So you'll need to like my page, like this post, or love this post, comment which frame you want, and then make sure you share. And get around the edges. This one was unfinished. I was thinking this was white for some reason. And that's okay. And you can do any frame you want. You can even find one that's already black, like at the Dollar Tree, and just go ahead and take the backing out and dress it up. And when you're crafting with paint, keep water on hand and a wet rag, just in case you do some splattering where you don't want it. like your fingers. I also use baby wipes too. I think I should have had this painted before I came on. Okay, so I'll get the outsides. More paint. And while this is drying, I'm going to work on the heart. So I'm getting everywhere that the black's going to show. Okay, so just like that. And I'll set that aside to dry. Got blacks on my finger, black paint on my fingers, of course. And since I picked out the red plaid, I think I'm gonna go with plain with the red, so that way it gives a little contrast. So, and I've got this Americana primary red for this one. That's so we can get these painted and get these drying. And then you just paint your heart if you want. Okay. Anybody got any special plans this weekend? We're hoping to go out for Daniela's birthday Saturday night. We'll see how the weather holds up. So I've got that painted red, and I'm just going to do the one side. We'll let that dry. Okay, now for my scrapbook paper. I got that at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale last week. It was last week, I think, where you can buy 4 sheets for $1. I'm going to use this basically as my template and draw a square around it. I'm going to bump it up to the ends. Gets really technical here. And then I'm just going to cut. And then I have save this rest of this paper for later. Okay. Whew. And then my Mod Podge. I opened this up earlier and it's like I spilled it, so I should have been more careful with that. So I'm just going to Mod Podge right on that cardboard. I'm going to reuse it. Some of them come with actual backing. And I'll just put the scrapbook paper right over it the best I can and straighten it up just like that. Okay, the frame's still drying a little bit. I don't want to touch it just yet. And then what do I do? Oh, I can do my bow. I'm going to make a rag bow while that frame's still drying. So I don't know if you can tell. Let me make sure I got my paint off. I made a rag bow. I was looking on Pinterest and I looked up rag bows and all of them looked like they had mullets. And I don't like mullets. I just made my version. So if you know the correct name of that kind of bow, let me know. I'm basically going to make it short, so about 6-inch ribbon. I'm going to use one ribbon for the base. and we'll crisscross it like we're doing a refab bow. And then I'm going to actually use some of the, I got some fabric, those fat bundles, and I ripped them in strips. So I've got some different colors here. We'll add a black, I've got some red, pink, white. I like these puffy. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I've got basically a bag or a bundle of rags. So let me put you down here just a little bit so you can see better. So basically I'm going to go ahead and use this ribbon because I like the burlap on there with the checks. I want these kind of small. So let me see here. I'm going to cut that in half. And I think again. And it's not exact. Let's do this again with the black. So basically when I was cutting these fat bundles, I used my thumb to measure it. So I just cut a piece of fabric and I just went across the fabric and measured by my thumb. And then when I got them all initial cut, I went back and then just ripped them. And to me, these look better when they're nice and puffy and thick without the mullet. Okay, so I'm just going to put these in and mix them up. Let me grab some jute rope. We'll add some of that to the mix if I can find the end. Oh, Melissa, where is it? There we go. I'm just mixing up these colors. I want these nice and fat, and I'll come back and trim these once I get them tied together. Hey Jody, how are you doing? Doing a little quick Valentine craft. I'm making a rag bow. All the ones I saw on Pinterest look like ones with mullets. I'm not doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and use jute rope, and I'm going to put that over it and tie it. And then puff it out. And I forgot to work on my ends there. I'm just going to cut a little tail on my ribbon that I did use in here. Kind of dress it up a little bit. Jody, how's your weather doing? I never got enough time to watch. I'll send you a pic of my Valentine series. Oh, good. I'd love to see that. Love to see that. I got a Valentine tree up too. I kept it simple. I was going to do some ornaments, but I just didn't get the chance to. So you're just basically fluffing it up, and you got like a nice little bow there, a rag bow without the mullet. And that's going to get trimmed because I don't like that hanging down so low. Okay, So I've got the frame painted. It looks like it's dry. I'm going to go ahead and put this in first so I know where I want my heart. Just put it back where it was at. Okay. I like my hearts a little tilted, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to use some hot glue. Weather's good. Where are you at? 50s in Denver. Yay. Don't know if you're on Instagram, but I have a picture of Jazz outside trying to hop in the snow because school got canceled today. So there's that so far. We're going to dress it up. I got this Love wood from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put it at the bottom. So I'm going to add a little glue at the bottom of the words because the part of the top of this is going to hang out over the frame. Just like that. So that's what we have so far. And then I think I'll keep part of that jute rope that I used to tie it. Add some glue. And I'm going to put on the corner there. So just a simple little Valentine decoration. Just like that. Yeah, that's so puff. Ooh, got to wait and let that dry. So that's what that one looks like. So I'm gonna keep this video pinned to the top. So Monday I'll come back and see who the winner is. Like my post, like my page, and comment which one you'd like, the one with the stripes or the plaid, and share my page. So, or share this video, I should say. And I'll let you guys know Monday who will get this, get one of these. So you guys have a great weekend, a safe weekend. Jody, enjoy your weather. I'm glad you're not snowed in like we are. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi, my name is Melissa with Melissa Peterson Designs. Thank you so much for watching my video. I like to consider myself a resource for other crafters, or that's what I'm striving for. I have 2 Etsy stores, Piper's Paw Print Designs and Midwest Market Studio, where I offer cut files, mock-ups. I also have a free library for those who join my tribe, MPD Tribe, of cut files, mock-ups, and video tutorials. If you have any questions, please contact me. You can join my tribe at melissapetersondesigns.com. Thank you so much for watching.